This drone footage was filmed of the town of Kressbach, Germany in April 2023, of around the same spot that these 5 photos were taken around April 11, 1945. Any man that fought for the town and the fields around Kressbach and lived would never forget this little plot of land. They would remember Kressbach long after forgetting many other parts of their lives. Durin Brigadier General Anthony Daskevich 2+ years in combat with the 753rd Tank Battalions. He participated in 6 campaigns, including 3 major combat landings from the sea. His unit supported 2 U.S. armies, 6 U.S. Corps, 2 Allied Corps, a remarkable 16 different divisions, to include 2 Allied and 2 U.S. armored groups. According to Brigadier General Daskevich,
I must say that the battle for Kressbach was the toughest and the longest I had ever encountered. I was a veteran of Sicily, Italy, France, and Germany, and I had been in many battles, but none could compare with what we went through in trying to take Kressbach.
it is believed that most of the remains that are seen in these photographs are members of C Company 253rd Infantry that were killed in action on April 7, 1945. After the fighting was over, the civilians had survived the occupation of the 17th SS and had begged them not to defend Kressbach. They had survived the 253rd Infantry, 63rd Division taking the town. They had survived the 17th SS recapturing the town. They survived the 63rd Division recapturing the town. The town changed hands several times, and each time it received artillery by the attacking force, as well as house-to-house fighting. After it was all over, the civilians proudly helped the Americans recover the dead so that they could begin their long journey to their final resting place.